Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is a hot one today. It's 105 degrees where I live here in California. We get these heat waves every now and again, but I thought the last thing I want to do is make dinner tonight. So I went out and I got everything I needed to make a shrimp pasta salad. And I thought, why not make a video on this? Because summer is just beginning and this is a really quick and easy recipe to make for those nights where you just really don't feel like cooking because it's too freaking hot. So in my large bowl, I have, this is 1 pound of cooked peeled shrimp, and I took the tails off. And to that, I'm gonna be adding, I made, this is 8 ounces of cooked bow tie pasta. I have chopped up about this is 1 small red bell pepper, half of a English cucumber, and I have, this is 2 scallions that I cut up. Let's set this aside and make our dressing. So this is 2/3 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. To that, I'm adding, this is 1 teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. You can use Dijon mustard, that's fine. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is a combination of a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of honey, and I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and for a little kick, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne. We're going to mix this all together. Now let's take our dressing, we're going to pour it in on the salad. Let's mix this all together so everything is all incorporated. There, this came together really nicely. And there you have it, a shrimp pasta salad. I put some parsley as garnish on here because she needs to get ready for her photo shoot. So keep this salad in mind when it's real hot and you don't feel like cooking. I will leave the full recipe in the description below. Well, thanks for joining me today while we made this pasta salad. It was just kind of a whim. And hopefully if you try it, please let me know. I'd love to hear what you think about it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.